how to get regional pricing on Roblox. So if you want to get regional pricing on your Roblox, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having a stable internet connection, you need to open up your Roblox. After opening your Roblox, now make sure that you've logged into your account. Just go and enter your credentials. After logging into your account, you just need to simply go with the create section, which will be on the top left. It will take you to create.roblox.com. Now here you need to go with creations, which is on the left side, and it will take you to the creator dashboard. Over here on the left hand side, you can view all of your creations that you have made so far. So now all you have to do is simply open where you want to enable the particular function. We need to find the specific game pass or item that you want to apply this particular pricing rule to. So click on the specific experience or place where you created the item. On the left hand side menu, you will find the option of monetization, and under monetization you will have passes. You need to click on it. Just simply select passes from the list if you were selling game passes or avatar items. If you have them, just simply open it. Now once you're on your passes or avatar items, what you have to do is just enable a few settings. So click on the pass, and once you have your pass right here, you need to just simply go and add a name and description, which you've already done, right? So once you click on your pass, you need to go with sales, which will be on the left side. And once you go with sales, as you can see that you will have an option of enable regional pricing. So if you want to enable the regional pricing, you need to just simply go and toggle the option on, which you can see right here. Make sure to enable this option. Now, if you're curious what people in other countries will pay you, then you can click on the view all option right here. And then here you will have the regional price. You can see the breakdown of the cost based on regions. And finally, don't forget to click the blue button, which is save changes after enabling your regional pricing. That's how you can get your regional pricing on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.